Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. This is the web development series, and in this video we are going to build a fully calculator using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript from scratch. And this is our first project in this by using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and the second project in this web development series. So this project is perfect if you want to understand how real user interaction work in the JavaScript, like button clicks, operator, clearing the input and evaluating the expression also. And we will design the UI using the HTML CSS and then handle all the calculator logic using the JavaScript, pure JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript, and including operator like plus, minus, multiply, divide. This is the remainder operator, not the percentage. And also and the equal button also. By the end of this video you will have a working calculator project and a much better understanding of a DOM manipulation and event handling. So without wasting any time, let's start by building our calculator step by step. So for this project I need three files: index.html, style.css, script.js. And in this index.html I already write the basic HTML code, like a head including the meta tag, a title, and link to style the style.css file. And inside the body, first I write this div box having the class box and an input field where here type is text and give the id input inp just, and also a placeholder initially for the 0th value. And this is read only. Why? Because I want to insert the value by using these buttons, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, not by the manually using the keyword. And then I create another div inside this having the class buttons, and inside this I write the buttons for the all clear, means remove the all value, remove the one value, operator modulo means remainder operator, divide, and 7 8 9, and multiply, minus, plus, equal, and the numeric keys like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And in every operator I give the class operator here, and for class remove for the removing one element, and all clear for this AC button. And also here I give the we handle the point operator, means a pointing value, floating point value, and this equal class for this equal button. So now let's style this wait, what happened? Okay. So let's start the styling this CSS by writing this CSS. And this is the row HTML basically, and I am writing here the first we have to write the CSS. So let's start it. So I just split the screen and now you will see the live updation. So first format the CSS by margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box. So it removes the by default CSS from this file. Now let's apply the CSS on the body, and height is 100%, let's say 100 VH, CH, it's VH, yes. And background image for this image is why, because I'm giving here radial gradient color. And for color palette means you can select your own color by using this colorhunt.co, and you can select any color gradient value, but I am using here hash EBF4DD, a slightly green one, and dark green by 5A7863. Yes, now it's radial gradient. And now display flex for the center, justify content center, and align item center. Now this come in the center. Now let's apply the CSS on this box, this div box. And for that, first give the border of this box border 1 pixel solid and the black color. Yes, perfect. And also give the border radius. Border radius is 8 pixel for this external one. And then add the padding also. Padding 30 pixel is enough so that it does not touch the border. And inside this, let's give a background. Background here is the ACBAC4. So light bluish color. Now let's apply the CSS on these buttons. Means if you see here, these all are in the single row. So let's give the by using the grid, we display grid, and now they all are come in the column. Now the column grid template column and repeat, and I want to make it 4 columns, 4 and 1 fraction for equal division. Perfect. And also give the gap of 10 pixel between these buttons. Yes, perfect. Now let's style these buttons. For that, just use the CSS selector, means button, and every button has the padding of 10 pixel inside. Perfect. And background is transparent I am using, so no, I want to use the gradient color in this also. Background image and linear gradient, and this come to right bottom and hash F5C857. So and it moves till the hash E2852E, means the was this color. So why it does not take let me fix that. First give the background transparent so it removes. Okay, I have to give the call, forget this comma here. Now perfect. Now let's add the border in this border 1 pixel solid, and the black is fine, and the border radius also, this is 5 pixel, and the font size also let's increase by 18 pixel, slight increase. Perfect. And also, and now let's apply the CSS on this input box, this one. For that, just write input, just select by direct element, and here the width is 100%. Perfect. So it takes the whole width, and here the first give the display block and margin auto. So it means already in the center, but for the safe case. And not margin auto, just remove the by 20 pixel from top bottom and 0 from the left right. And padding also is the 10 pixel. So perfect. And also increase the font size by 18 pixel. Yes, perfect. And the let's give the border here also 1 pixel solid and the black one, and border radius is the 5 pixel is enough. Perfect. And the text content here means if you see in your mobile phone or in the another calculator, the text comes in the right side of the input. So for that, just give the text lines right, and also increase the letter spacing by 2 pixels, let's say, so it's look not too tight. And outline also none when wish means while selecting, it does not create purple. And also color is the black is already, but for the shape case I'm writing here color black. And next is the, let's say, background color is the slightly white, not perfect white. Perfect, now this looks good. And so now let's when I hover on this button means I want to make the some uh, scale means cursor pointer, and button on hover it says cursor pointer, not on hover, on the in the normal one also. And in the on hover it transform by scale of let's say 1.1 is enough by standard this. So if you see this perfect. And also on input focus the border becomes input focus. There is no need to write input focus, but for the just to make it 1 pixel and solid, and the bluish color 2563 EB. So yes, perfect. The border becomes the bluish. And more, yes. And also let's make the these operator buttons to the change the color of these operator buttons, so it's looks different from the normal one numeric keys. For that we have I already set the class here operator uh, in the every operator like plus minus multiply divide and modulo. I give the class operator here. So for that dot operator, and let's say background image is the linear gradient, and it's also to right bottom. And this is just means shaded color white 9CA and 3AF, and moves till the 6B7280. So looks good. And also on the equal button, this is means looks bluish shade, bluish color like. And for that give here 2563 EB, and run till the 1E40AF. Yes, now this looks, and now this is perfect, means UI is our done for uh, this calculator. Now let's move to the JavaScript part in this. For that first select the button, means when how can I get the value for, means when I click 787 4123 AC mean any button, when I click how can I get the value, because all there are the buttons that we cannot give any specific ID here. So for that just write for this type of situation use the query selector alls, means first I get the all the buttons, document dot get query, sorry, query selector all, and here I am just giving the direct button. And you can also see in the console here console.log buttons. Let's see F1 plus F. Yes. So if you see here, node list is means 20, means I have the 20 buttons, all clear, remove operator, and 7, 8, 9, and all these buttons. So now let's see here. We select all the buttons. Now let's every buttons we are using the for each loop in the JavaScript, and we run means we move all the buttons, single buttons, and on click button, add event listener, and on button let's use the click event, and this take a arrow function, basically normal one. So now we select the button, so console.log button, and means, and let's say like I click the 9, I click the multiply, I click the plus 3 6 point equal. So here every button says means we loop through the every button, and in on every button means whenever we click the button, it detect and console that button also here. Now let's select the input. Let input equal to document dot get element by id inp, means we select the input by this get element by id here. Now let's also first we have the four type of condition, means when I press the all clear button, when I press the clear button, when I press the this type of operator, means 5 operators, and last one is the equal. So for that we have to write the for if first select the btn class here, means how to get, means every button have the class. Let btn class equal to button dot class list of 0th value, means in the button we have a class console.log, not signal, console.log button dot class list. So let's say I said I press the multiply button, 9 6 3 plus value, means every time we get the array of the these buttons and these classes, means operator value, means if I write here in the operator, I just write here btu1, let's say, and when I click on this, I get the classes are the butter operator and ones, and the values are the operator and the one. So for that safe case, we have to use let's say, means every time we get the 0th value, at the 0th index we get the class of the that button. So also get the value of the button by let btn value equal to button dot inner text. Perfect. Now let's check whether the button class equal to all clear or not, means we have the four condition whether these also every time we have to return after performing the operation, and next one is the clear operator and equal. So clear operator and equal, means every time we have the four type of classes, or clear, clear, operator and equal. So first and on every time, means if any we are not get the all these classes, so every time we have to input dot value not inside, outside this class, input dot value plus equal to btn value. And you can also console.log input dot value, and you can also see here, if I press the 8 I get the 8, if I press 9 I get the 9, multiply plus means not in the multiply plus, but here I get the input dot value means 7 8 9 6 5 4 1 2 3 0 0 means everything I get in this classes in this input box. Perfect. Now let's say when I try to click on this AC, I want to clear all these text. For that, just write in this if block, built-in class is all clear. Just write input dot value equal to empty string. Just in 743 AC clear, 78520 AC all clear. So perfect here. And when I click on the btn class is the clear means clear button, first I check whether I give the remove. Okay, I write here remove class, so let's rename it remove, and means I want to remove the last element, the pop out of the last element from the string. For that, input dot value equal to input dot value dot slice. I'm using the slice operator here, means the method here. Starting value is the 0, ending value is the -1 till the last element. And we know when we write the last element, we get the last -1 element, means n-1 basically. So like I write 7 8 9, I press the C, the 9 is removed, I press the C, 8 is removed, I press the C, 7 is removed. Perfect. 00 7 8 5 6 2 9 C, and all the values are completely, and all AC clear the all the values. Now let's move to the third one, the when we click the operator. So in the operator, if input is the empty, condition is the input dot value is a empty string, then just return normally, no nothing to operate, means perform any action. Then if let me first make a array of the operator, let operator equal to array plus minus multiply divide and this modulo, and inside this when if operator dot includes the means last value is the operator of this means I write here 7 8 9 and plus, then what means 7 8 plus 3 minus, what is the value, means first I have to remove that minus operator from here. So or also we have to remove this divide, means tackle this problem, means only one operator at a time, not two operator at a time. So for that, first we have to dot operator dot includes the last value is this operator, like input dot value dot slice is the -1, means the last value I get here. Then the input dot value equal to input dot value dot slice, means remove the last element first, last operator first, and add the built-in value, like here in the 7 8 minus, why I did not get here. Okay, first I have to add, and else input dot value plus equal to btn value, means like I add 3 plus 6 minus 9 multiply 8. So perfect, this is the till now this is perfect, but issue is when I write plus, and now I want to make it minus. This is now working, but when I just remove this, so this is why means in the previous I have, for that we have tried this if else block for this operator tagging. And now let's come to the last part of this video, means the when we click the equal button for the performing the operation. For that, first, if the input value is the empty, if the input value is the empty string, then just return the normal. And if last one is the operator, means by mistake if I write here 3 plus 2 plus 3 6 minus, but if I 2 plus 3 6 minus, but when I click on this equal, how to tackle this minus sign? For that we have to first remove if operator dot includes input dot value dot slice -1, means I remove the last get the last element, and it is, if it is a operator, then remove this input dot value equal to input dot value dot slice till the 0 to -1, means remove the last element, and perfect. Now let's see, 5 plus 6 minus equal, I just remove the last element, 9 plus 3 multiply equal, remove the last operator here. Now let's try to finalize this by in the try catch block. Basically in the try block we have a method here, input dot value equal to eval. Here this eval is a function in the JavaScript method. It takes the string value, means in the input we are getting the string value, like if I write here console.log this input dot value, and also console.log type of input dot value. So let me write 5 minus 3, I get the string and the value is the 5 minus 3. So this is a string value basically. And in JavaScript we have a built-in this eval method that takes the string value and perform the operation of these mathematical operation on the this part on the string and give the value to us. So if any error occur, then means any like infinity type come like I write 9 divided by 0, 9 divided by 0, then I get the infinity here. And if any error occur, just give the input dot value equal to invalid. This case is rare, but for the safe case we are writing the input dot value is invalid. Now let's test this. 1 plus 2 3 33 minus 3 30 multiplied by 4 120 divided by 5, I get 26 or 24, modulo by 9, I get 6, because 9 to the 18 and get the 6 as a remainder, and 685 plus 0.5, 685.5 means point is also working. And also when I click on the C, it removes the last element, and when I click on the AC, it removes all the elements from the, means all the operation of the from this input box. So this is the our calculator program in this by using this HTML CSS and JavaScript. So in this video we will take calculator UI using the HTML and CSS, and all the functionality using the JavaScript by we added, and include the number, input, operator, clear button, and expression, evaluation, by using this eval. And also, if you understand this project, try improving it by adding keyboard support, better validation, or even writing the calculation logic manually instead of using the built-in method. Means instead of using this eval, try to write the manual logic for this plus minus multiply divide. And this project help understand how JavaScript connect the logic with the UI, which is very important concept to real world web development. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JDCodebase for more beginner friendly with web development project. All the code for this project is available in the description below.